Here is a major mistake that musicians make, and you definitely do not want to make this mistake too. What's happening, everybody? This is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. I've got a great story for you with a really important lesson, so make sure to wait till the end. The other day, I got an email from an artist who was asking me to click on his link to stream his music, and the first thing that came to my mind was like, why should I click on your link? Like, tell me why. Is it going to put me in a good mood? Is it going to make me want to dance? Is it going to make me want to get into the mosh pit? Is it going to make me want to go 100 miles an hour down the Pacific Coast Highway while I listen to your music? Like, sell that emotional benefit. Get me interested. Get me excited. Don't just say, click on this link and play it. Don't just say. If you guys want to get a lot more clicks and you want to get a lot more out of your promotion, you gotta think about this concept. It's called selling the benefits. It's selling what is in it for the customer.
Selling what is in it for the customer.
Don't just say, click on this link and play it. Think about this, you guys. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. Peace, love, later. Don't just say, click on this link. Sell that emotional benefit. Is it going to put me in a good mood? Is it going to make me want to dance? Get me excited?
Think about this, you guys.